Bitwise has released its 10 crypto predictions for 2026, providing a comprehensive and optimistic forecast for the cryptocurrency market as 2025 draws to a close with notable volatility. As we approach the end of 2025, the crypto landscape has been marked by significant volatility. Major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP reached all-time highs earlier this year, with Bitcoin peaking at over $126,000, Ethereum at nearly $5,000, Solana at $293, and XRP at $3.65. These surges were fueled by strong institutional demand and positive regulatory developments. Stablecoins and tokenization have entered mainstream discussions, and financial powerhouses such as Morgan Stanley and Merrill Lynch have begun offering access to crypto ETFs. Additionally, multi-billion-dollar IPOs from companies like Circle, Figure, and Gemini have added to the momentum. However, the year has not been without challenges. Prices have retreated sharply, leaving many assets in negative territory amid concerns over Bitcoin's traditional 4-year cycle, sales by long-term holders, quantum computing risks, and broader economic conditions. Despite this, Bitwise's Chief Investment Officer Matt Hogan and Head of Research Ryan Rasmussen express confidence in a rebound. They note that the prevailing positive trends, from institutional adoption to regulatory progress, appear too strong and too far-reaching to be subdued for long. In their report, Bitwise outlines 10 predictions for 2026, emphasizing the role of institutions, regulations, and innovations. Let's examine these in detail. First, Bitwise predicts that Bitcoin will break its 4-year cycle and achieve new all-time highs. Historically, Bitcoin has followed a pattern of 3 up years followed by a pullback, but factors like diminished halving impacts, falling interest rates, and reduced leverage are weakening this cycle. Institutional inflows through ETFs, combined with post-2024 election regulatory shifts, are expected to drive this growth. Second, Bitcoin's volatility is forecasted to fall below that of Nvidia stock. Throughout 2025, Bitcoin has already been less volatile than this popular tech equity, reflecting its maturation and broader investor base via ETFs, similar to gold's stabilization after its ETF launch. Third, ETFs will purchase more than 100% of the new supply for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana due to accelerating institutional demand. Since their launch, U.S. spot ETFs have outpaced new issuance, with Bitcoin ETFs buying twice the new supply, contributing to price increases. Projections for 2026 suggest even stronger inflows as more institutions gain access. Fourth, crypto equities will outperform tech equities. Over the past 3 years, the Bitwise Crypto Innovators 30 Index has returned 585%, compared to 140% for the Nasdaq 100. Improved regulatory clarity is enabling innovations like Coinbase's ICO relaunch and Circle's blockchain development, paving the way for new revenues and mergers. Fifth, Polymarket's open interest will surpass its 2024 election peak of $500 million. With U.S. market access now available, a $2 billion investment from Intercontinental Exchange, and expansion into sports, pop culture, and economics, the platform is set for explosive growth. Sixth, stablecoins will face blame for destabilizing emerging market currencies. As their market cap nears $300 billion, adoption in high inflation areas is drawing scrutiny from central banks concerned about monetary sovereignty. Seventh, on-chain vaults, described as ETFs 2.0, will double in assets under management. After a maturation phase following 2025's volatility, professional curators are expected to attract billions, gaining attention from major financial media. 8. Ethereum and Solana will hit new highs if the Clarity Act passes, clarifying U.S. regulations and boosting stablecoin and tokenization growth. 9th, at least half of Ivy League endowments will invest in crypto, following leads from Harvard and Brown, potentially influencing pensions and other institutions. 10th, more than 100 crypto-linked ETFs will launch in the U.S., including staking and index products, marking an ETF palooza. As a bonus, Bitcoin's correlation with stocks is expected to decline further, driven by crypto-specific factors. Reflecting on their 2025 predictions, Bitwise achieved mixed results, with successes in areas like crypto IPOs but misses on price targets. Overall, they view the market as maturing and positioned for growth, though they remind that crypto remains volatile and speculative. What prediction from Bitwise do you find most compelling for 2026? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this analysis insightful, please give it a like and subscribe for more professional insights into the crypto world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.